2017. We are a SEBI-regulated InvIT investment, IndiGrid investment, India Grid, and AAA rated company. We are having a presence in 20 state and two number of union territory. 41 projects are under management and market capitalization around 1.5 billion. So we are having a low risk business model where approximate 26 years of transmission years are average residual contract life, and solar around 19.5 years. So which is of 800 kV, 6000 megawatt HVDC system, which is having a bulk capacity transfer, bulk power transfer capacity across the country. This is located at different places across the country, from north to south and east to west, and also few HVDC projects are under construction stage, which is being developed to transfer bulk power across the country. There are multiple multi-circuit tower, pole, narrow base towers. These are the some transmission corridor we have developed across country, which we used to have a bulk power transmission corridor. Hybrid model of substation wherein GIS and AIS two technologies come together and built a optimized hybrid substation, which used to take care of the power transmission capacity of 765 as well as 400 kV voltage level. Second part is to enhancing the utilization of existing system. Like we have already developed some kind of system across the country, transmission system to transfer the bulk power. But how we can improvise or enhance the utilization of those equipment, because there are certain guidelines what regulatory has come up after the blackout in 2012 and subsequent. So how we can enhance the utilization of existing system which is available across the country to introduce series capacitors. Series capacitors can be we used to install in the series of the transmission line, which used to reduce the impedance of the transmission line to enhance the power transfer capacity. The second one is the TCSC, thyristor control series capacitors, the STATCOMs for power transformer stability. So these are the few technologies what we have already adopted and developing in across the country for existing asset. Reconductoring is another part of utilization. Like in our earlier session also, we have seen more about the IoT integration, cloud technology, and digital substation. These IoT integration is the real-time data collection and management through IoT devices, where will provide valuable insight into the grid operation, online condition monitoring, and equipment, because these are the equipment IoT and equipment which used to install in the transformer reactors or the circuit breakers or the SCADA systems and or the relay systems, to get access of the insight of particular transformer or the equipment, so that we can take a timely decision how to take care of this contingency or the emergencies, which is being integrated, like to assess the condition health assessment as well. Like in the transformer, we can see AI algorithm will optimize transmission and distribution network for improved efficiency and reliability. So predictive maintenance, predictive management, and data analytics. So those are the three AI based things what we have trying to implement. So AI optimization, like in case of transmission lines, we are doing aerial patrolling of the transmission lines, where multiple images of from different angle we used to capture, and we used to put into certain platform where AI based algorithm is there, and based on that AI based algorithm, they used to identify the fault from those images, multiple images what we have captured out, and based on that we have to chalk out whether what kind of fault is there, like, problem is there, it is in critical in nature or alarming in nature, or it is a normal situation. Predictive management, there is some project going on across the globe and across the countries as well, where they are using CO2 blended floor nitrile based clean gas technologies in place of SF6 gas. So that, because you might be aware that SF that SF6 gas is extremely high global warming potential, and this what we have you what the technology is going on the green gas for grid, it is 98% lower than SF6. So these are the various advantages of this replacement of SF6 gas, where where various utilities are working upon to reduce the implication partner to get the confidence on this technologies, and then we will move ahead for the permanent implementation. So few industries specific issues and the probable solutions, like we are talking more about the new technologies and all, but there are some deficiency in the three area also, like sourcing issues, material for the substation equipment. What we can see here, like many of the substation equipment manufacturer are full and packed for another 2 years. They are no they do not have any contingency plan, or they do not have any buffer available with them to manage the emergency situations. So those are the thing we need to be more cautious, and factories or the OEM need to be work upon it. Asset management challenges, like change in climate kind of specific guidelines for India to follow, so that it can be more practical rather than documentation.